people ask me many times in the past, what got me into Yiddish? That's really asking me. I found out I had memories of being a kid in Israel. I was reading a lot from the library, the kids' library in the school, and I took a lot of books. One of them was the Sholem Aleichem Mises for Yiddish Kinder, in Hebrew, obviously. I had no idea about the Yiddish. So I had a strong memory of reading that collection of stories, I guess in Berkovich's translations, an early Hebrew translation that I read, and I particularly remembered one story, one of them who was the kid who discovers, he made some mistake during Passover, and he discovers a grain basically, inside the chicken. He made the mistake, that's how he got there, inside the chicken, or something like that. I'm blowing a bit, even though I'm supposed to, I read it afterwards, I think in Yiddish, but I'm still forgetting now. And I think that the description there of how the boy, so what he did in Sholem Aleichem story, he took that grain without everybody seeing and swallowed it during the Passover Seder. Now, of course, I experienced seders as a kid, so I was relating to that. So it was about like a Jewish, but also, I mean, we weren't never so rigid that the chometz is such an enemy, but not at all. But it also obviously universalizes the theme of doing something that you, as a kid, that you know you're not allowed to do, and that extreme feeling of shame and embarrassment, and it's the way he described it made such an impression on me as I was elementary school I'm talking about. So it kind of stayed with me decades later, and so people ask me why did I did. I say I wanted to read the literature because I discovered that it was translated from Yiddish. I had no idea when I was a kid, obviously, but I discovered that it was written in Yiddish in the original. And I wanted to read the original. I wanted to read Sholem Aleichem in the original. I wanted to read I.B. Singer in the original. That's basically was my mission at first.